Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Mazda 3, stock number 6134. This ran from 11/2013 to 02/2019. It is a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear tail light. Right front guard, no dents. Right front headlight. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front door, no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory three-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,